Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure VidIQ for thumbnail testing and ranking growth, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring VidIQ for thumbnail testing, first, ensure you have a VidIQ account and the extension installed on your browser. Once logged in, navigate to your VidIQ dashboard. Locate the thumbnail A/B testing feature in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access the thumbnail testing options. Next, click on the option to create a new thumbnail test. You'll need to upload at least 2 different thumbnail designs that you want to test. Ensure that your thumbnails are visually distinct from one another for effective results. After uploading, it's crucial to give each thumbnail a descriptive name to differentiate them. Set the parameters for your test, including the duration of the test and the target audience. Now, select the specific video for which you want to conduct the thumbnail test. Once the video is chosen, review the thumbnails to ensure they appear correctly. At this point, you can also set additional criteria for the test, such as the video tags and descriptions. After confirming all details, click the Start Test button to launch your thumbnail A/B testing. VidIQ will then begin collecting data on viewer engagement and click-through rates for each thumbnail. Make sure to regularly check your VidIQ dashboard for real-time updates on test performance. Once the testing period concludes, assess which thumbnail performed better based on the analytics provided. Use this data to choose the most effective thumbnail for your video. Continue to refine your thumbnail strategies based on ongoing testing and performance insights. Monitoring and adjusting your approach will contribute to better ranking growth over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.